Banasco transfer me on the MPP communicator be on there. On share that experience be sada. Me sure. Bana, you emphasize assembly share in commerce. ECG form penny for 700 cedis, 3 faces.
Yeah.
Single face 400 cedis.
Yeah.
You require me adjuma budu. But me this one monitor na adwuma ya. Do be say revenue for lay. Obe tutu ababi na sika no ojije ntoboa bi fra sika bi ana kenwunu kwa. Ema yenyesika. But asema wo kan ya bie phone lines na Ghana for akasa sisi a Ghana for say enye sanete. Wo hu bi pay.
Minia
you know smart.
Edikan ma menda wase na minchia ahwefo nyina na ne kese nkoma eyeye mampini His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne nduma pa oye ma Ghana ndura wo hwedwuma odi ya menim se bedi ho nkomo nanso we ne ma oman no benya ne nkan kɔ ne puntu anopa yi so ma menkai Ghana fo nyina ebia dodo awerɛ afi say West Africa Senior High School exams was eguso a omo.
Yeah.
And then omo one of the papers nipa dodo pa na chiro physics. O why ni nipa dodo on tin kasi ye chiro wasi because yen saki obi school fees mani be news.
Ta se won hye dante.
Enti media men so en hye dan de akire kura nkɔhwɛ say enso chiro no omo chiro na ekɔ.
Because ye na no pe aka ho asem kakra.
No problem ni say
bibia de dana.
Nana Addo ne ye beka nyina ne say nyame nhira no. Asomdwe aba anope me said akofa ba bi ba mienu nyansansa me bedua
wasi no nti
na me pese me kɔhwɛ sɛ abatan asalai e administration block on person mu headmaster anaso mo ko assistant headmaster academic ho e ko pachew so mo mo ma ne ntwero no be betua
na pese hu sade no
I just wanted to see me fa was nothing like that me ko presec there was nothing like that unim say Madina ya secondary school e wa ayai.
Yeah.
There was a secondary school.
Yes.
She said, "Oh, how ni akwadan dani adwindwin Nana Addo ye fi abatan so no." People are not seeing it because enya de ya wo nkyere wo mun ntomu hu. Na me my suggestion be my director general. Yera profopoko kwa man kan say ebeya. Enka edebia no ye makwan an kola no fees anka wo so mo betua no. Yem print never mom senka wo so betua 1,002 but aban ye free SHS ntie de achewo na ko nipa no be wie 3 times no keka bomu a na we hu sika aban aye den e de ache no but people are not seeing it and they are physics ye ti toka bia ye nipa over 1,200 and e tro paper no yes that's a pure science school double track na ba ye no hu amani penya kuma penya suku wo mpese omokono amomoko and yet elective maths na 1,460 something. There are 36 classes in one row no. One class pen elective maths obi aye elective maths your visual arts we elective maths one class per one. So if you take there about 1,500 people no more form 3 this year na omo elective maths be 50 but yati toka bia adenti obi amesake school fees abaye tuama meboa but minim ni padudu a wo bie phone lines ya o me fra kese oh me kwa me be wie no me nye sika ntuanti na mancho final exams obati pi ene ni nyina sa o ha ne adwendwe na iden afi ho ti Nana Addo ye da wase nyame nhira wo ye nkurase fo so ye nya akwanya ye kobi na asemu a wo kan ye mesre o se ma mesema just a second it's unusual of me but my yenka na ye appointees nyame ya adom a me sure say me aso bia me nya akwanya no mabesom wo say aban crash pani west kuma do bemra kwa ye nyina ye fetu ye hofo say aban nipa bu befu aban a enye appointees ne direct na ma nipa bu fu aban
na enwa
but nipa bi atete wo offices
nipa atete
bia minister bi appointee bi ni office obi o man in the secretariat usually cause people to be angry.
Ade asemenesi.
Sure, me nua ba ha wakumsi. Me nua na central region. Yes, precious minister.
I would to senior SMP.
Senka ketesia na ehwa. Then she will know. Say ni obi an oba minister bi office obes riska. Don't you stop that character.
Okoya asemenesi kan boy amane.
Ma me no me wo Jubilee House. That was the Obanasco. We dey me minister nyina me wo
special
initiative ni ade nyina wa mba me hoda na me so ma me yampa me mba office da no so e abomodi abra nti menje ni PAB your friend Akua number na ya no ma frɛ no
okay
ti me frɛ Akua no so o ma ye busy that was about 3 weeks ago me ko bi mu ti yewra Canada moa na me hira no ba bi owo bia me danase wo kasa bi onim aka me danase pa ana o ma me ko ne officer yedi nkomo bi ti me fi ho no mi twem na me hu ye ma me awakum sinika na me so andi o be hye ho ti ndade ma me fa wo na me nyeden mi ntia na te se de o kan ye no me koduru wa ketesie bi mo kenani mu asikusu bi
enye pie Akua no I've not even seen the Akua me ba yeso ma me kan kire wo sa ketesie na se wo na me hwehwe wo me si me hwehwe Akua so tell the Akua say obi hwehwe wo simple
na Akua ne nkese ma ye busy ntima nipa ne nyeden onko o si de me de ba na me kan kire wo na wo na me ba me kan me be kan kire wo sa me hwehwe wo na me hwehwe Akua
suban mo dana di bo
suban mo dana di no enti wo ye obi a won ti ase a wo bo se wo de abufu ase wo na wo buefu minister no wo buefu aban no enso na ono nya hwe ya besira mo dark girl bi wo
fisheries
ministry in the office
or minister
office ho minim se ono ye adwuma de aba me koto no ni mu odu oye tuntum
minister
what kind of impudence is that
fisheries minister
how wakumsin office enti me se ne ye ma me wakumsin message se ma ba wo
na say
this is what has happened in Timiko sabi me sire ni die mu enyo obi na ba minister na se obi officer obesriska munja isa dia no na obi aso appointee bia so hwe ni pa surround because omo no mbema yatumi 8 no e bia yem breakie yewra Canada wasema mekan oti onzo Banasco se o ba wo onima o se Banasco de communicator o manemra ebia no wa busy but guy ne ka kire me say okọ ba bi nti o ma me 2 minutes per me nya ne tem na me hu no na mmesen me duru wa me bo amane no so na say minimum nti don't introduce yourself na me ka dem bese me ka kire no sa and this is here ma he busy nti me pa cho wo de ma me be next week na bra na me hu senya me no na me so da me da se ye so nti me pen and ma me nja wo na ko na me dia mika epie ye no okọ ne baby fe Carlos von Brazil deputy chief of staff ni PA Nelly ogwa wona we hu papa no kura kasa age on be ka kire ono obeda na se kura se oba we hu papa no or your party person she knows the people who worked at least otinanim no kasa ma wonya wo ntiase say oh me ba ye me hu deputy chief of staff Carlos von Brazil bi chiawo friends na na esi ojiri PA2 Samelis. Yeah. She knows the people who have worked. Into him say be a woman information be kwana wo de ba ebe bua party no. Koya neli ni ube kasa, ube da, ube secretary da. But now we hu papa no. Efe. And there are many of them like that. You go to an office, sebe. Unim why I came. But the mentality is that party for the munya ba ya no. Ombesesiska. Sadia no mesra appointees na it is unusual of me. You know that is not my time.
Me hu say wakasa sa.
But adibi wo wa eya koso nipa complain de bia na yanhwe ne ya no mbom bedi yenya ati ndwuma pa ya mampani ne ye. Ebedi and I'm sitting on TV and saying it.
Oh, office so bi behwehwe minister.
Bi say no ba ha wakumsim. Me ne na central bi say me ma ba na office da. She said say me ba ho da nche ya me mbra office. As to whatever we were going to discuss, yes. I don't know. Yeah. Me friend we was you on there to kwan. Yawo ho, yawo ha, yawo say. Me see me to check let Akua see me. Now can tell me say oh, say nti. No can tell me so we be a minister busy and that dey enye nti ko later na waba.
Wa jabo so.
Wa jabo so say me ka dey me dey buy enkyere wo. Ye from Akua. Who say lady tuntum na wo fisheries minister office one. Are you called Akua? Were you the one I was directed to? It will be some say nipa ni de abufuo na ode ko say me call yempo o ma yem so minister now can say ya bra no we hu me wa PA Akua no say nya say me ka kire ne say mpacho you are not Akua. Let me tell Akua say minister can say me mra no maba so that she tells me say why you busy na menko am pe Akua ba na mchim o say o me no smart no say am pa no e share Jubilee house no na me say o enye man simusa me ba minister ho but me twemu a me hu ne car no
na waba
na mapa ke se ne de so wo de a me mfa ho na ntia no Sabi me nua panyin ni ha okumsin. O se me honorable minister, me mba ni office da. Sabi ebe efese se office central efese e be share e be din komo. You may not know. I say, oh, and then the woman say, Minister, why is she pa? No question, so me call you no name for you. Oh, e be mu to home that's watching. E be aka say na so me da say, but e ya catch the mama. That was all my intention. Se catch the mama say, yes, man fa ni di anya den. Ama no, o ka say me mbra no mama. To catch the na. No one say, oh, oba ye na e bia wan beto me. No china no hia me wan ka say minu akuma me kese brakra wanye den wamba then you tell me say get me ba bia me kan kire no ni pa ka say me ba me hwehwe wa say ka me ka kire ye besre ye nyina ye priest ye benya baabi agina wo mo menya baabi agina dada breaking the eight these small things can put certain people off uni minu e bia nkokoto abetia MPP di ntia nkokoto o say na shi ye nyina ye ba power nipa bia no ni mo makwanya ka omo na mo ye di traffic na pin no mo do mo besin oba tweti ani nyina yakobu sam say yes me na okay na yin twa free SHS mu ni akoda du nso mu me kan o say o de senior said the work nti me say ato my MPP just like that o tweti MPP enti nipa bi mu say de nkofo de to abetia obi no enye de abanya ye ana de abanya nye ye eto da suban nketen etumi se nipa bufu mo mo to abetia the lady should be warned.
All right, fano to
ECG ma member ECG
asam no so
ubo kwa medin
P
share reception e the bema
yeah solid
reception he is a party communicator, he writes, he has been a deputy something at US branch, he knows the party. Usually people who do that my wife CB Asabe party no when the campaign do baby no move party for feel so refraps. And I told my guy, I'm saying, Senka, my boss with Netaya, get wing Kobama Menidi. Do you know that? That is the mentality. If I was in suit and tie, and you know, as Israel, maybe me African way. So she looks at you top and down, and then tells you, say, Oniho, because Oshawa, we a party in the says. And that is the mentality of most of the office staff. Obaha Obesriska, and then the army by a crown of Besriska, Eldia. Una uyis kanu obotum mumayenjai na abani modern boy obono Ghanaians will never forgive us say your opposition because of such characters kwame me bona baso ne ni dumapa yewrabudu me bona baso ene ni dumapa nemo asema a oka ne de yewrabudu nkrata aso no kranie me ne wo ka say ye me nkanti obia na mesre obi fa na bufo so onfa ncheme but ya no ma apply for meter Botiano. Okay. Office. I apply for meter.
ECG office.
ECG.
Okay.
Ma ko fili bibia energy commission omo abehwe. Me na me tin se waka bibia.
Energy commission udreska.
Oh yes, energy commission ubetua. Omo be test na de na. Okay. But say ebi wo a o se nkomofo omo be fo ka na ade ntia no body enya me problem. Because omo be check bibia ma me. Omo an charge me. And they meet me aka no credit, they didn't charge me. I said so okay. And there Mundi we enfoka o money electrician nyina my electrician has certified this thing and also want a certificate but ono no nya adwuma within that territory and ade na zone nti ono mu nyina na ba ye no mbehwe ye installations nka nyina so mo test ye and it is correct if you ho na me ko ye bi de o se me ye bia omo be check so mo ko estimate aba abro 2 months and that's obi me se me
omo di so e dey do.
It is a penitema. What will I do?
You pay.
Maybe will be our bayan intent, mamma. No way.
Nothing a fake meters abakrim. Because you can say Togo meters be abakruma.
Oh yes, that's
didn't know Togo meters about because of all this.
Apply.
Yeah.
Me person me didn't know. Ain't me quite illegal connection. Me permit no. My father due process. I had also me be 2 months and my. Who the sum at the end of it?
Wow.
No be to me catch say bia instead of 400 no o ma me 1500 me ya yen intente mama na e bia o so open intemo that is what you go and do enti the erabudu kan de nka ne papa mu e no krepa 400 cause onipa no beji say scan you know we receipt o de beba no 400 na wo so what am I say
yeah
onipa no receipt o de beba na 400
did aka
it's 1001 na ko hin
balance ne fine
ko hin. And that one you can get it within 3 days.
But me de me ye bi sa na ma nya idea na nkekuro me yenko ha o.
Obekwa ade na be. Nti emi de se MD nankasa enhu se it is a flaw. Na wa pe kwan se omubesi ano. Yesire no ani die mu. Oni ne nkofo no mo ye adwuma nankasa. Cause obi obetu ana mo se me be pemita bia no, and let me applaud the same Botiano zone again. Obi dia o ye omo hwe ne earth na dem se anya papa once say ma meter. And I clap for them. What am I saying? Okay. I clap for them. Say my idea pa, o say enye wo earthing system no enye enti yentumi ema meter. Adwuma papa no no. Why yes ni bi omo say we enti yiyi frim. Ka kire nipa no ne okoto 10 mm. And or they change your friend is saying from main switch to meter. And I'm saying Debbie, you fear the so you 16 mm. See, you know, and I thought that they've done very well. And the best I say, a Jumano, the papa sanity, but the bonny piece war. But and you know, and random no be a cancer me. A branches is to know being a Juma Kakra or pray, say, Ma Omongeno, Omo tax holidays, Kakana, ye Ghanaian. Yes, also, I won't get 10,000. Answer, yet remember tax a withholding tax, you better for some bare 6 months.
How many cancer?
That is GRE. I'm saying, rule book, I find some make kind. And the 2 directors must be paying themselves 20,000 a month. So they can take income tax of about 4,500 a month.
What kind of law is that?
The business person, I feel so all start here, all fife. President there, more exempt me from tax kakra. Said there be ya, with me, ejina me 9 so I feel you can charge me well no. You still so you won't get 10,000 answer. Obviously that is the law. I've gone and gone and gone. That is where I went, and later on I went to see Canada. That is what is being said. I can't be ready. I mean ready. You see, so but a foreigner, so also to at least 15,000. Not 2 directors, no 30,000. But on only the interest-free loan. You reckon the Japan can be or interest-free loan. Obey to me the loan now, why you cry and the salary? No, any tax exemptions. But who Ghanaian? Young person, I will start a business. How do you get that money? But when you are the laws now, majority of them goes against we the citizens.
Emrana ya shisho.
Yes, no. Equity at Memfono. Ye Ghana for equity. Ebi na who can say ni pay taxi. Togolese boys almost 2,000 near the end. How many of them pay tax?
They don't pay.
Omo you see your coin. Omo you see your so. Omo you see your Kenya. Woman ko bi ani omachi. Ba maganda ni enkoton pure water. Ona mani di nachi e ko twato amano. That is the problem. Eji Yerabudu waka yate. Eya no kre so say ne bo no sa na tie because onipa no official receipt on the bebre no. If it is a fake meter, how did he get official receipt? That is correct.
This is serious.
Say a fake meter or the other. About the same no receipt, correct, papa. Every ECD.
All this while now Ghana for complaining about meter.
Now what would you meter? So what would you meter? Me feel eskuma, remeskuma. Me meter. Me mediano. Any boys quarters, no boys quarters in there separate from baby I me tiano. The same house, but separate meters. Because me a wire no separately. As at 2006, now me and me chichem. Said the mayor chinebi, because I the one in my higher. Now only me meche bibia. What am I say?
Okay.
Me want to go 1.5 months, 2 months, na me ko order. Bill abakesia 3 cities, 4 cities. All of a sudden, now they need to me shoot to do a month, 80 Ghana, 90 Ghana.
It means back 3 cities, 4 cities.
Oh, me what base and then I mean okay say me 3 kesia 2 cities. Now the whole month of September me go order. When I'm coming, I lock my apartment. That is my side. I don't share it with anybody.
Okay.
And I'm a boy back on walk the other side, no. On the wife. Me no be share. So when I'm not there, the main switch I put it off. I don't share it with anybody.
Yeah.
Now I didn't shoot to sir. On my be check it and on say oh a 40 meter. You checking me earth rod, are you correct? You checking bibia, are you correct? But a 40 meter. And I'm waging a bill of about 300 and something. And I'm missing Because of being 5 cities crowder. Allow them for me to 10 cities. It's just in the future, my month use 80 cities. I didn't want to hear with you.
Dano crown come.
Mubabe 2 meter. Asaya by the normal 3 cities, 4 cities. Abroswa a month. It is a 40 amount in was on. Am I the cost or is the 40 meter?
It's the 40 meter.
So if I've changed the meter and it has come back to its normal, I'm thinking June, between 1 city 70 pesos.
Hey.
Oh, I don't use it.
And I school how much here?
They will say depending on how much I will use.
Yeah.
And I mean, socket be a rod was here.
Would any prepaid and postpaid?
No postpaid.
Okay.
But most of the sockets, no, minimum at least some physics.
Sure.
So I did 8 for almost all the sockets.
Okay.
Outage is a baby, Kenya, Deni, me absorb it, me power, no usage, no, a conform.
Okay.
And that is what I do for almost every building I'm putting up. Me, you'll be a man, so I'm here. I will initially, but we now for when you add the sockets. What I say? Then the thing comes back to 1 city 70 pesos, 2 cities, and you are 3 cities. Me could be 3-4 days, be over. Abakasia, Abia, 5 cities. Then you still maintain your friend says, 300 and something now. I can't meter that's one. Still, I mean, make you because the meter was in my name. New meter, nobody buy, and almost I transfer some amount to the say, I'm still owing that. And I'm saying, then they should read my record. And I'm a meter record from somewhere 2009. A meter, no, a year separate meters, no. Everything there. No one checking said that Ben and my consume 30 cities on that meter.
So what happened? Okay.
You came and took the meter and said it's a 40 meters, so you've changed the meter.
Oman Kasa identify.
Good.
And Omokasa 40 meters.
Yes, and we're changing meter, Namami.
Then all these a year band, you cannot put.
I cannot put on me.
Yeah.
You cannot put it on me. But these are the things that
institutions now Obama can say we should strengthen them and make sure some better money at that. Institutions in soon be na CC say the ECG as an agency.
Yeah, you won't grass in the crowd, more. Most of them cannot even read.
Theory and so about.
Me say so na omo be read depend me ba no ba for no wakotiro. Ebia 1176. Tienim say 76 in the last 2 decades. The following month no so we be reading the third on the second no wakotiro no watiro. Na ya tie from ne hu say point say na use yi.
Yellow card be na mo de show na.
Yellow card no mo de show. Point say na use yi. How many of my people know how to do
that? Even that one, Mona was so much one ECG workers.
ECG for the better, but yeah, tabulate, yeah, the nearest you are trying to hear papers.
Oh, okay.
It's too better more than that. And we know, sir.
Would it be a found?
Would it be a found?
I say, we,
no. Me, I am very meticulous about certain things.
Topic of it's a whole discussion for this.
Me, I'm very meticulous about certain things.
Ghanaians are complaining bitterly.
In Accra here, I use not more than 25 cities, 27 cities a month.
Repeat.
Yes. Meaning that you used to Kenya.
Wow.
At least I did physics very well. In this person may conserve energy. I know how to conserve energy. But the lay person are only. There is a lady. Last Monday, I know any complaint at me. Say ni meter. Go do what? Almost meter on the board now obine used to then the car was so dada. Into 7,000 something or no tia. At that side, you want to be man new meter. No say meter from me by the about the same I was with that.
Meter near for.
The lady came here, me money be who uncle.
Oh, office bay.
I say my dodoa the ECG office. I don't didn't. I went to 2,000 say. On the super meter no.
They are cost so
yes.
No, but now this is very, very terrible. And very worrying.
TV soon make us send your radio soon meeting. And I best anybody woman. I'm sitting on TV. I'm giving you my own experience.
But how can Ghanaians more that institutional treat your own fellow Ghanaians this way? I don't understand.
Somebody uncle challenge it.
Me challenge it.
But only person with the greatest of respect.
But won't you offend me?
Won't me offend you? How many of the people are young complaining? They beat me. I say on one meeting into on check is the power.
I see.
I could do say and that's that 266 hash away. I'll make me that top away. Still go for cookie war. You see your office will go. And now back up. But you're about umia or my penny. I bet